guys, wow, it has been such a long time. Welcome back. I am so excited to be back vlogging, creating and making videos again, and this is one of my first ones. Welcome to Wellness Month. Today, or this month, will be all around wellness, food, fitness, and Sammy and I really want to take you guys with on a journey. I came back to LA like 2 weeks ago and I'm so happy to just be back home. As you guys see, by the way, I have new closets here, like there are reconstructions happening, and it just feels so good to be back home. I hadn't seen Max for 2.5 months, which was absolutely way too long. So this month's video, I wanted to start with another what I eat in a day, because I know that this is one of you guys' favorite videos. It's one of my favorite videos. So yeah, I have a really busy day ahead. I have a doctor's appointment. I'm organizing our apartment basically. So getting all rid of like clothes, getting everything like organized. Our stuff is everywhere because of the closets and stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to get ready and I'm gonna make some breakfast. Let's go. Water first, matcha second. Oh no! I make Max a matcha and look at this now. There's like glass everywhere. Okay, let's clean this up. And ta-da! I made myself a new matcha. So those first moments when I like wake up in the morning and I make my matcha, it's very meditative for me, where the sounds of the matcha, like the little process, and it's really like my little moment in the morning where I do some like breathing and like think about the good like intention for the day. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, Max and I have been really busy over the last few months, because I know I've been off the grid a little, but we've been working on so many cool things, and one of the projects is Nekohama Matcha, which I have right here. This will be available soon. We're gonna launch November, December. I will keep you guys posted. A lot of people actually who say they really don't like matcha, it often has to do with like the certain type, because look at this color, it is really green. The more yellowish ones or without any color are just really not good matchas. And this one, I can even drink it without any milk. It has no bitter taste, which is just amazing. So I can't wait for you guys to try this as well and like join me in my matcha morning routines. So I'm going to do a little stretch and then I'm going to make some breakfast for today. I know I've also mentioned I've done like intermittent fasting and stuff. I do that still sometimes, but not all the time. Today I feel like breakfast, so I'm gonna make some. So guys, we are gonna prep some breakfast, one of my favorite meals of the day. As I told before, like I switched a little bit between like intermittent fasting, not really intermittent fasting. Sometimes I have breakfast early in the morning and sometimes I don't. And I also feel one of the best things about being back home in LA is being able to cook again, being able to make my own breakfast and to make my own food, because I had such an amazing time in Italy and the food was absolutely amazing. But I think I've been eating pasta, pizza, more pasta for 1 month straight. So last week I walked down on the farmer's market, and obviously we're already into fall and a lot of fruits are not really like fresh and seasonal anymore. But I found the persimmons. They were everywhere in the market, and if you don't know exactly what this is, it's a very specific taste. It's sweet, and you have like very soft ones or a little bit like harder ones. This is like a harder one. It's really hard to compare, maybe between like an apple pear. I would actually love to hear from you guys what you think. So we're gonna make a chai persimmon oatmeal, which I just find super comforting and really delicious, especially in fall when you kind of want to put your sweater back on. Even here in LA, I'm like kind of cozying up. So I already soaked 1.5 cups of oats. This is actually much better to soak them before you're making the oatmeal because the texture just becomes much more like mushy and more delicious. Let's get started. And ta-da! My chai persimmon oatmeal is ready. I added some coconut yogurt to it to give it like a little fresh taste, but it's so delicious. So good. So in here with the oats, obviously I have like a lot of fiber. With the almond butter, some extra protein from the nuts, and of course healthy piece of fruit in here. This is definitely gonna keep me full for the upcoming hours. I'm going to finish this quickly and then I'm gonna run to my first doctor's appointment today. So my doctor's appointment is in like 10 minutes. We are on the way right now and it's probably going to be a lot of waiting because they're always super slow. So we'll check in with you guys again for lunch. Okay. It is lunchtime. I just came back from the doctor and it was really not as bad as I thought. It went like super quick. Well, I had to wait for a long time, but actually the procedure that was done like super fast. I feel good, I feel healthy, but I am hungry. I'm just gonna make a delicious sandwich. Recently, I discovered this amazing bakery, Justa Bakery here in Venice. I had such a hard time finding really good bread here because I'm Dutch. I'm super picky about bread because we grew up eating bread like all the time. But I found my bakery and I'm going to make veggie sandwich. So let's go. Okay, tip for a really good sandwich is the bread. You need to have good bread. Actually, while I was in Italy, we were baking bread every single day, and the smell and like the whole process of making this is just so incredible. Like it's almost like art, the way you actually almost like massage the dough. You can see this one is also like super fluffy, that makes it super delicious. Justa is actually one of my favorite bakeries here in LA. They also have like a really cute restaurant. So if you're ever here in the neighborhood, I would highly recommend stopping by. Let's do this safe. Actually, this is a tip. If your board is moving, you just put a wet kitchen towel or like a moist kitchen towel underneath. I don't have it at the moment, so I'm not taking my own tip. But there we go. This smells really good. And this is another little secret. Actually, I learned this from Max. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. Obviously, you can also use olive oil or anything else, whatever you prefer. And this is just gonna give it a little nice crunch. So let's roast these for a second. Okay, I'm going to cut up some fresh veggies. I'm also going to make a scrambled egg with fresh herbs in it. And then we're gonna assemble my favorite sandwich. Wow. Look at these amazing colorful sandwiches. So easy to make, and actually because of the really good bread, I feel it keeps you full, the sourdough, but you're not like over full. And with all the fresh veggies and herbs on here, I have an egg for some extra protein. I have a delicious lunch. I also always think when food is beautiful and like colorful, it's like healthy and nutritious. Gonna be a challenge now to eat. I need to do a lot of work today. I am organizing all my closets and I have a lot of emails to answer. So I will see you guys for dinner probably again. Oh my god, guys, my plates came in. I got these from West Elm and they're even better in real life. So many boxes. Look at these guys. I have all my new ceramics. These are actually from West Elm. They're like so pretty. I wish I could use them for tonight's dinner, but that's gonna be too much cleaning. Talking about dinner, it is 6 p.m. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. And we are ready for dinner. So I'm exhausted. I've been like packing, I've been like organizing everything. I'm actually excited to be working with Green Chef on today's video because Green Chef is a meal delivery company and they deliver healthy, clean and organic ingredients and super easy, quick recipes. So cute. Max put this on the fridge. So it's super easy because it gets delivered right by your door and it has all these like fresh, healthy ingredients. So this is the smoky barramundi with salsa. There we go. All the ingredients. There we go. So on the menu tonight, we have a smoky barramundi with salsa, which I'm very excited about because I never had barramundi. It is some type of white fish. It's a Mexican recipe. And I think this is also really fun about like a meal delivery service is that you are trying out new recipes because I would have never bought this in a store. And I know that Green Chef is also an USDA organic certified company. So I know that the ingredients are like fresh and clean and mostly locally sourced. So over here, we got all the ingredients. They are all like already pre-measured, mostly prepped actually. Also, they have like fresh sauces. So it's just a matter of putting everything together. There's a super easy instruction, step by step with pictures. I think this is going to be very easy and honestly, this saves me so much time because it's like doing groceries, meal prepping, and pre-measuring everything out in one. So especially now this week, because I'm just so busy, it's really nice. Let's start cooking. So I'm starting to prep the ingredients step by step. Green Chef actually offers dishes for a variety of lifestyles, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. If you want to try out Green Chef, you can go to greenchef.us/wellness90 and use code wellness90 for $90 off, including free shipping of your first box. actually new recipe from Green Chef. So if you guys want to try Green Chef at home, you can use a special code on greenchef.us/wellness90 and use the code wellness90 for $90 off and free shipping of your first order. Oh my god, that's really good. I've never tried this fish before.
Never had this fish before, but this is probably my favorite
really
piece
delicious.
of fish that I've ever had.
Really, really delicious.
So, the last few days I've been realizing that we just really don't have many snacks in the apartment. What are you doing?
I'm trying to find those matcha almonds I bought in a Japanese store. Did you eat them?
No, actually, Sana, I was actually just vlogging about how there's no snacks. So all of your snacks that you hide, I find. And if it's chocolate or candy or anything sweet, I eat it. You got the cherry, so cute. Well,
I was gonna sign out. I hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. I had so much fun filming it, and of course I had so much fun eating it. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for all wellness content upcoming month, and if you try out the recipes, please tag me in pictures. I always love to see it as well. Mwah! Love you guys.